Hey, good morning, everybody. Let's get the CFTC out of the way. This broadcast is for educational and demonstration purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please ask somebody that is qualified, like a licensed financial advisor. With that being said, good morning, Marcy. Marcy's back. Amen. Hallelujah. Good morning, Marcy. Good morning, Rao, Edward, George. Marcy was under the weather. We were all praying for you, Marcy. Okay, let's take a look at the Forex Factory. We don't want any unpleasant surprises. President Trump's tariff wars are in full swing. Tuesday, March 4th. If you're with us, that's the good news. This morning, I don't see anything. Tonight at 9 o'clock, President Trump is speaking. That's not going to affect us, I don't believe, today. Okay. I see gold is in a monster short trade here. If today's your first day joining us, we're going to be showcasing the AI Auto Trader. This is a fully automated strategy that runs within the Ninja Trader 8 platform. And once the strategies are enabled, the system will execute and manage the trades on your behalf. Today we're going to be trading the futures index equities, with exception to the Russell. We'll be trading the S&P 500, the ES, the NASDAQ, and the Dow. Thank you. My beautiful wife is a registered nurse, and she brought me a fruit smoothie, fresh fruit smoothie. I've been blessed. Good morning, Judy. Now we've diversified the portfolio to include gold and crude oil. We like to keep an eye on those. Really, our 1-2 punch has been the ES and the NQ. We run the strategies through the overnight session, through the London Open and pre-market, and we come up with what we call our leaderboard. And our leaderboard is very thin. I've got one bot in the green. The NQ Smart Stop 2. Steven was up here not too long ago. For the red, let's look at the ones in the red. The ones in the red are a lot of them. Most of these bots here that have taken trades pre-market are deep in the red. So there's a big warning flag. And gold has caught my eye today. I kind of like the looks of gold. Just don't see my... Oh, okay, there it is. $58.09. George is watching for a double bottom at $58.09. Was that the low of the day yesterday, George? Oh, that's right where my support line, 58.09. Just below our area of support. We missed you, Marcy. We missed you. This is the Steven on the 8U. Sergio did a major repair job on my computer. I had a lot of old accounts through the last few years that we were using for R&D, research and development, and a lot of unnecessary accounts and data. My workspace became a kind of a rat's nest. A bird's nest. So good old Sergio went through great lengths to clean my mess up. Good morning, Mr. Smith. Robert's in the house. Good morning, Robert. January 13th? Gotcha, George. Up on gold and NASDAQ, huh, Judy? Great job. I love the way gold is moving. The Steven was up on Mark's computer on the NQ. That's our NQ8 Unarenko. Was up $4,000 this morning. So I'm keeping a close eye on Steven. What we do, our trading methodology, is we use, if you're trading a prop account, what we do is we use a trade copier. We put our top performing bots on a tab of our trade copier, and we could very quick and easily copy them across all of our evals or funded accounts or whichever account you want to trade. That's one way that we can very quick and easily copy these trades into prop accounts. If you're trading a live account, what I think the easiest way is to continue to let the strategies run in their own SIM account. We always want to accumulate data in those SIM accounts. If you want to change one, let's say, for example, your retirement plan bot, what I like to do is just build a new strategy as a duplicate by selecting the AI Auto Trader P and loading a template for that retirement plan. And with this retirement plan, I would put my live account. Always make sure you're on the correct instrument. And now I have a duplicate of the retirement plan that I can put in my live account or any account. If I don't have a trade copier, this would be the best way to do it. So you still have the SIM account running and collecting data. And now you have a second instance that you're trading on your live account of that same bot. In order to trade your live account or prop account without using a trade copier, you don't have a trade copier, you want to trade a live account or you want to trade a prop account, you would first disable your strategy, you would right click on it and select Edit Strategy. And then you would scroll down to where your account shows. And in the drop down, you would select your live account or your prop account. So if I've selected, let's just say, for example, I've selected Apex 42 on my NASDAQ, and I click OK. Now when I enable that, if I want to see that strategy on my chart, I would also have to put it in my chart trader. It has to match. The account in my chart trader must match the account in my strategy in order for me to see the stop and the profit targets. Has to match. Obviously, the instrument, it's on the NASDAQ. I'm on the NASDAQ. And the strategy we put in account 42. So on my NASDAQ chart, in my chart trader, the account also must be 42 in order for me to see the trade on my chart. I hope that helps. We've just significantly reduced our AI model. What I mean by that is previously our AI model was doing a 2-week look back. Listen, 2 weeks ago is old and crusty news. We sped it up significantly, so we're only doing a 10 trade look back, which is really, today and yesterday, basically. This week. More current of a trading environment, so those stops and profit targets are going to optimize quicker to the market conditions. Hey, good morning, Dr. Hanson. Good to see you, sir. Thank you for joining us. Let's go back to Stephen. Stephen is hot. When my leaderboard looks like the way it does now, I'm very hesitant. Sometimes it's better to sit on your hands and do nothing. If none of my bots are winning, let's play this by ear. Let's see what happens. I like that ES short trade on the 8U scalper. That one could go for a ride. That ES 8U could catch a monster. I think I'm going to put a tab on it. Let's go for the ES 8U. Make it a leader account. And we're going to be also trading not only the AI auto trader, we're also going to let the iBots take off this morning, right at the market open. The iBots are looking at those indexes from the cash market. They're looking at the market internals, uptick versus downtick, and the declining ratios across all 5 of those cash markets, those indexes. When there's a big disparity between uptick and downtick, they jump into the trade. Good morning, Al. Al's up in Canada. God bless you, Al. Good morning. Ankh. Good morning. All right, we're about to take off. It's 9:29. That ES8U is going for a ride. Caught a little lag on that open. Let's let things settle down. Ooh, my 1-day pass just scored on the 30 range. Let's let things settle down. The 1-day pass is our prop trading templates. Those are the templates where you can pass your evaluation in just one trade. 2 days in a row now, we hit 1-day pass on that 30 range NASDAQ. I'm getting a little bit of lag at the open. We have a built-in safety mechanism. The system will not allow you to enter a trade if you're getting lag. And that's just a safety feature. And it's the NASDAQ giving it to me. The ES is off to the races. Look at that ES8U. That one could go all the way. Okay, my ES is back. Look at that ES trade. It's going to go for a full winner. That's a 100-tick trade on the E-mini. Want to come into our profit window. We don't want to risk more than we can potentially make, especially on the E-mini. So I like to bring it down to an equal distance from my profit target to my stop. I don't want to risk more than I can potentially make. So a beautiful trade on that E-mini right at the open. Just jumped in short again. Tempted to copy that strategy, but let's give it some time. Jumped in short again, right up here on this 8U on the E-mini. I'm about a minute behind on my NASDAQ. This ESI bot on the 4 Unorenco took a full winner as well at 750. My ES30 range caught a beauty. A lot of volatility today, I see. Big swings up and down. Steven loves that trading environment. Let me see if I can... just going to be patient and let the market settle down for a few minutes. There goes gold, short. Okay, it's starting to settle down now. This is going to be a really good trading day, I have a feeling. Yeah, my Nasdaq's trying to take off long, but okay, my lag is almost worked out. It's coming back. A few more minutes and I'll be back to normal. The 8U changed courses quick, didn't it? I'm referring to that E-mini. Whoa, look at that. That thing just took off. That's the lag catching up. Okay, we just shook it. We just shook all that lag out. Now we're ready to get going. Let's have some fun. Okay, these Nasdaqs are going to start taking off now. Oh, whoa, look at my iBot. Holy moly. On the NQ30 range. This bot is up $3,500 in 8 minutes. That thing swam right to the top of my leaderboard quick. Let's go to a 30 range. Wow. Look at the volatility on that. Woo. Let's look at a 20 Unorenko. That's almost untradeable. But it's up $3,600. We can see our 20 U's retracing back to the 50. We're still set up for a long trade on the 20 Unorenko. Our 30 range is, market structure-wise, looking for a short entry. So we don't have that alignment yet. I think it's coming, though. Starting to line up short. See if we can get into velocity. Get in the profit window. Get in that profit window. Come on. It got into our, nice. Mm. Excuse me. Let's go to the IBOT. NQ30 range IBOT. Is at 26.45. Oh. Got it. Okay. Oh, there goes that ES8U short. Let's go to the NQ24U IBOT. Wow, look at gold. This is really a volatile environment. Holy moly. And if this sell-off continues. A 30 range is almost untradeable. It is untradeable. Whoa. Moving too fast for a 30 range. Extremely volatile. Mm, 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 mm. Let's let this system trade it. Mack trucks in. Take off. Nice trade. Wow. What a fast moving market today. Holy moly. Good day to sit on your hands. These are pretty treacherous conditions. Gold. I'm going to set something up for gold. That 20U looks really nice up at the top right. That's the Mack truck. See if it can break through there. Enormous amount of volatility. There goes the Mack truck in short. Mack truck is a good strategy for this volatility. That 20 Unorenko, it's not going to get caught up in the whipsaw. All right, 3120 on the NASDAQ 30 range. On that NASDAQ 30 range, it's at 3120. NASDAQ 30 range. The IBOT NASDAQ 30 range. Here it is.
submitted.
1,000.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay. Wow. The IBOT 24U's in short.
Order submitted.
Very volatile. Incredibly volatile trading environment.
Order submitted.
Market's just all over the place.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
It goes to ES8U. The scalper.
Order submitted.
Well, this is a really, I'll tell you, this is a very risky environment. It's a good day to just be a spectator. The ES on the 8U is in a beautiful trade short. ES might be the instrument to be trading today. 1, 2, 3, 4 of my top 5, 6 strategies are the ES. 1, 2 NQs, 3 NQs, 4 NQs, and 1, 2, 3 ESs.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's restart the IBOT 30 range because I think I hit my profit target.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
We want that one to keep trading.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
IBOT 24U is in. That's the trade we see right here on this 30 range.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
It's just chopping all over the place.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Tremendous amount of volatility. Very risky environment. Almost untradeable. On the NASDAQ. Our ES30 star is up 1875. That's the 30 range on the E-mini.
Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted.
There goes gold.
Order submitted.
Every time you think the market's going to drop further, it bounces. 1,400 contracts a minute on the NASDAQ. We're at almost 8,000 contracts a minute on the E-mini.
Order submitted.
This is a pretty much untradeable environment on the NASDAQ.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order sub. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Ooh, there goes gold. The IBOT caught a monster. Holy moly, look at this trade. Froze me up. I'm going to take a quick restroom break. If you'll just excuse me for just a moment. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I was just thinking, we're really in uncharted waters with this tariff war that we've gotten ourselves into. The market is just, it's really hard to call a bottom. It almost reminds you of the sell-off we saw during COVID. Just tremendous sell-offs. There might be some really good buying opportunities once you can identify a bottom. But trying to call a bottom now is very difficult. Um, so, let me see. Desk. Let me switch desks real quick. I'm going to remote into a VPS. Bear with me for just a moment. This is worse than mine. All right, let me start fresh. Bit of an overload there on data. Let me see if I can get this restarted. I thought it would be a great trading environment, but it was a little bit of an overload. Too volatile to trade. My PA accounts, I think two of them are up 100 and one's down 100. And I'm not going to enable nothing until this settles down.
Order submitted.
Okay, that flattened everything. Good. And I have no lag. Let's put the NASDAQ on. And let's let the good times roll one more time. I'm curious, are you guys trading this? This is where I am from today, and I feel very lucky, very fortunate. You are trading this, Ralph? You've got serious lag? Hey, good morning, Suzanne. I was curious to see if anybody out there was trading this. I mean, this is like the whole session has been like the GDP report just came out. The jobs report just got dropped, and it's been nonstop for an hour and 10 minutes. I mean, just extreme volatility. Those tariffs kicked in those countries. They all said that they're going to, they have a plan to get to put a tariff on our goods, and Trump's putting a tariff on their goods, and this is Mexico and Canada. Um, and the EU. You sitting on your hands, Judy? Good idea. Okay, let me go back to the 24 U's. Those 30 range strategies are 8 Unarenko. I think it's just a little too much. Let's go back to the iBot. On the 30 range, 4U is small bar. $16U. 1 minute. I got my lag back under control. So I'm sitting pretty again. Now, ready to watch the fireworks show. Here's the 24U. The 20Us and the 24Us on the NASDAQ It's just the way the market is moving. Took a nice short. Got a nice move down here. Oops. Here's right to 930. Just a tremendous amount of data. Look at that. We moved down, but it was a rocky road down. It was not a straight path, I can tell you that. There were one or two big moves, but it was just chopping all over the place. My neck is sore watching it.
Order submitted.
Was this the bottom?
Order submitted.
Keep an eye on my data. Trading gold only? It's a good idea. Let's take a look at gold. Gold is nice and smooth. You're right, Unc. Gold is nice and smooth. Mm-mm.
Order submitted.
Okay.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
There's a big move down.
Order submitted.
Here's the iBot on the 4 Unarenko on the E-mini.
Order submitted.
Getting a move down.
Order submitted.
Maybe the market's finding a nice direction now. And you can see our leaderboard. I had some open positions, so I don't.
Order submitted.
They got in the right direction, that's for sure. This NQ30 range.
Order submitted.
There goes the NQ on the 16U iBot. Jumped in short. 24U iBot up top is in short.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Got a lot of support right there. Right at 20,164. Bam. Just broke right through it. There it goes. All the way. Holy moly.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
There goes. Another move down. That's 16U. Right back in short. Going for a monster here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
24U's in, 16U's in. Got a full winner on the 8U, on the ES4U. That one's up 1750. Huge move down.
Order submitted.
Goes another leg. Oh.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Exit on a line change. Gold is in. Let's check out gold. Gold short.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
24U just jumped right back in short. Here's our leaderboard. I'm letting a few evaluations run on the 16U on the IBOT. The NQ30 range, 7,900. The IBOT, the NQ24U is at 4,000. The ES30 range is at 29.25.
submitted.
We hit our 1-day pass earlier. The IBOT 16U is trading really well. It's up 24.25, getting some really beautiful entries. The ES4U, the IBOT on that trades the 4U Norenco, that's the chart that you see at the top left, is in a nice short position. It's up 17.50 for the session. My Smart Stop 2 is up 1,500. The ES Scalper drone is in a monster trade. It's up $1,000 right now.
Order submitted.
Look at that 24U's jumping in. The 16U might have hit the profit target on 16U.
Order submitted.
Let's reset it. Once we hit our profit goal, it'll stop trading. And I see it's not jumping in anymore, so I'm wondering if it hit the profit goal. ES Smart Stop 2's up 500.
Order submitted.
This is the type of trading environment, though, that you can really make or break an account quickly. You could step on a banana peel in 1 millisecond, and your account is gone. So be really careful. I just went over the ones that are doing well. Let's look at the ones that are not doing well. We have one of the iBots is deep in the red. The Haymaker drone, the Sniper drone. The 30 range velocity. The 1-day pass. Looks like I'm in a position. The 16U must have taken a trade. Yep. I got this position here. Not great news right now. This is where you see the disparity. The 30 range is in a long and set up for a long trade, but our 20U is set up for a short trade. Not much of a correlation with the trend on those two time frames.
Order submitted.
There we go. It's coming back towards me.
Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, Sergio,
Order
with that tool,
submitted.
we use that tool, that new feature of the tool. Let me see if I could show it really quick.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
To clean up your Ninja Trader, there's a tab up at the top. The first tab says strategies to build your strategies. The second tab is the Ninja Trader database tool, where if you have ghost orders, you can close them by clicking fix ghost orders. Now you would want to disconnect your data feed and maybe even shut down your Ninja when you use this tool. You wouldn't want to do it while the market's running and you're connected. Um, you can clean your order updates, clean and optimize your database if you're getting a lag time. This will get rid of a lot of that excess data that you no longer need in your folders. And then this updates the RLT database. After the system's taken 10 trades, we only have a look back of 10 trades now on our AI model. So every few days, maybe every week, once a week, to update that RLT database would be a good idea, just to keep things running smoothly. So we got a lot of nice features to fix any Ninja Trader issues. And this isn't just for the AI Auto Trader. This is for any system that you're running with Ninja Trader on. It will fix ghost orders, clean the Ninja Trader database, and clean and optimize the whole Ninja Trader platform. So that we got a significant upgrade to that RLT tool. And keeping our systems user friendly is really a priority. It always has been, it always will be. With that RLT tool, that Sergio's really just a godsend. He's such a talented guy. He developed that tool to build a workspace in the click of a mouse. If this is something that we had to install manually without the use of this tool, each one of these installations, would take with this AI model 20, 30, 40 minutes for Charles. It would be impossible. So he's really cut down the time required to get this system up and running. Wow, great job, Rao. Your scalper's doing great, huh? On gold, Rao? Are you still trading it on the 2 Unorenko? Yeah, isn't that something, Carl? That thing is unbelievable. I'll tell you, running the strategies today is like a completely different computer after Sergio cleaned everything. Here we go. The 24U just came in, just dropped in. Dropped out really quickly, too. Yeah, it's been like trading through a red folder news report the entire trading session. Really good day. I knew something was weird when I saw my leaderboard this morning and there was only one bot. I, you know, I said to myself, maybe today's not a great day to trade. But you always want to jump in, head dive. I always want to dive in head first. But let me tell you something. I guarantee a lot of people blew their accounts, their evaluations, blew their account today. The 30 range was almost completely untradeable.
Order submitted.
I'm going to put another 20 Unorenco template. Because a 30 range just isn't going to cut it right now. Here's a nice long trade on gold. Oh, how'd that happen? I must have something enabled. Uh-oh. Let me find my, I got a, let me see if I'm in a position. All of a sudden I saw my Apex account is at 1500 and I didn't even know I was trading. Yep, I found it. It was on the iBot 16U. Well, that changed the whole day for me. Sometimes it's better when you don't even look. I had my Apex account enabled without knowing on the 16 Unorenco. And one account's up 1500, one account's up 885, one account's up 450, and my PA accounts are up 170, 150, and one is down 120. This is how I close the session. I have one more PA account. So on my PA accounts, I finished up 200. On my evals, up 3,000. Really, I didn't even know they were running, to be honest with you, because I thought I had turned it off. But even in a tough trading environment like the one we saw today, managed to come out of it pretty much unscathed.
Order submitted.
That 16U is the one that scored for me. This one. Of course, Mo. That's what we do. Yeah, Mo, if you give the office a call, I'm about to end the live stream here in just a few moments. And Mo, if you give the office a call, if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them for you. I'm going to drop the office phone number here, Mo. Okay, let me 786 732 4656.
Order submitted.
If you have any questions, just give me a call. We're going to wrap up at 10:40, 10:45. You can see my gold bot is in. Got a runner on gold here. This gold can be a very exciting instrument to trade. Rao made $2,250 today trading gold. Judy pre-market
Submitted.
cleaned up trading gold. When there's uncertainty, and I think this is the very definition of uncertainty. Gold is the only thing nice and smooth, giving us nice, clear trends up and down. Rao scored big on that too, Unarenko. Judy was saying she traded at pre-market and did really well. Well, wow, here we go with the NASDAQ long. On the 20U, somehow we're set up for a long trade. I'd be scared to death to go long today. But what do I know? On my computer, gold is up 500. Let me make sure my trade copiers are all off. Oh, it's still on. Oh my God. It's crazy. YouTube ended one day and I went down to eat lunch and had no idea my trade copier was still turned on. And I'm down there eating a tuna fish sandwich. And I come back up and that system was trading away on my account. Best day I ever had trading. All right, let's wrap it up with this trade here on our 16 Unarenko. We're in a nice short position. Let's see if it gets some follow through to the downside. Our 15 is above the 50. But they are both red, and momentum is pointed down to the downside. Ideally, we'd like our 15 below our 50. All right, that wraps it up for today. So this is how it ended. The bots really they came through for me in a big way, and I know they can for you as well. In this really volatile market, I put up all big green numbers across all of my live accounts. I had one account that had a small drawdown of 120. But listen, this was a very treacherous environment. and I consider myself fortunate. Um, if I didn't have this system, there's no way in the world I'd be green. So the NASDAQ, our number one strategy, was up just under $8,000. That was the IBOT on the 30 range. The one-day pass scored again. Our ES30 range, NASDAQ 24U 1635, IBOT 4U 750, IBOT 30 range 700. Some really nice trading on the 20 Unirenkos on the NASDAQ. We've got David Wise, who is a professional options trader, coming up right behind me trading the SPY super system. Be really interesting to see David trading the SPY in these extreme conditions. So I want to thank everybody for joining me today. God willing, we're going to do it again tomorrow. Same time, same channel. If you would, please like my video on YouTube. It really helps more than you know. It gives us a little traction on YouTube. Put some new eyes on our company's products and services. So if you would, please like my video here on YouTube. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Well, I can't come off now. Now we're back in a trade. Oh, we're out. All right. Have a great day, everybody. To answer your question, those numbers are for the pre-market for the whole session, starting at 6 p.m. last night to right now. So for the entire trading session, those are the numbers. Okay, Matul? All right, everybody. Have a great day. Hope you'll join me tomorrow. So long. Yeah, that tuna fish sandwich that day turned out to be my best trading day. All right. All right, Z. Have a great day. So long, everybody.